Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Getting direct rides to the park? Take an Evercab for a direct trip. Evercab is Everland's cab service that will make one-way or round trips to the park. Evercab costs a flat rate of 177,257 WON as of November 2018 for a one-way ride to the park for one person. If you plan on traveling with more than one person, the price per person drops. To see a full list of rates or to make a reservation, call +82 863 3541 or visit https://everland.com/reservation. HTML. Evercab will pick you up directly from any location within Seoul. If you are taking 4 people on a round trip, the total cost is 439,735 WON. This is one of the more expensive traveling options. Ride the shuttle bus to Everland for an affordable option. The Everland shuttle bus is tailored. You can purchase tickets by calling 31-281-3237 or visiting http://www.worldbus. Companicker/Everland/index. PHP. The bus leaves once a day in the morning around 9 a.m. and leaves the park at 7:30 p.m. To see a full schedule of pickup and drop-off points, visit https://www.everland.com/web/multi/english/everland/everland guide/transportation/transportation HTML. This bus will pick up people from several bus stations in Seoul, Incheon, and Gyeonggi-do. Tickets will cost you anywhere from 8,000 minus 12,000 WON, or your ticket includes a trip to and from the park. Parking in Everland is provided free of charge. Using public transit. Take the 5002 bus if you're near Gangnam Station. The 5002 bus at exit 10 in Gangnam Station runs every 20 minutes from 6:30 a.m. to midnight. You can purchase a fare on the bus. Take the bus at Gangnam Station and ride it for 40 minutes 50 minutes before getting off at the Everland stop. Purchase bus tickets to and from Everland at the station. The 5002 bus costs around 2,500 WON or about. Ride the 5700 bus if you're near Gyeonggi-do Station. If you're closer to Gyeonggi-do Station, take the 5700 bus at exit 1 in the middle of the road. The bus ride will take a little over an hour. Get off at the Everland stop. The 5700 bus costs around 2,500 WON or about. Catch a shuttle bus from a subway station to save money. There are several shuttle bus stops that will take you to the park and back to where you're staying. Visit https://www.everland.com/web/multi/english/everland/everland guide/transportation/transportation HTML to see a bus schedule and to book your ticket in advance. Arrive at the station at the designated pickup time for a direct trip to Everland. For instance, the shuttle leaves the Gangnam Station at 9:30 a.m. and leaves the park at around 7:30 p.m. The shuttle bus also departs from the City Hall Station, Exit 5, Seoul Station, Exit 10, and Gyeonggi-do Station, Exit 4. You can get to each station by taking any connecting route in the Seoul Metropolitan Subway. The shuttle bus costs 12,000 WON or about Planning your trip. Plan your trip in the spring or fall for the best weather. Spring in South Korea is April to June and is often regarded as the best time to visit. The country experiences mostly sunny days during this time and flowers are in bloom. If you prefer slightly cooler weather, consider visiting in the fall months of September through November. It's best to avoid going to South Korea in the summer because it's monsoon season when the country regularly experiences heavy rainfall. If you are visiting in the fall or winter, make sure to bring a jacket to keep you warm in the chilly weather. You can usually wear t-shirts and shorts in the spring and summer. Get your travel documents in order if you're visiting from another country. In order to visit the park, you'll need to travel to South Korea if you don't already live there. Obtain or renew your passport 2 minutes, 3 months in advance. You should also check whether you need a travel visa. Certain countries have a visa waiver agreement with Korea. Once you have all your documents, go online to purchase plane tickets to South Korea. Visit https://www.korea.go/and/info/pop-up/isis/visa waiver pop HTM to see whether your country's residents need to get a travel visa to visit South Korea. Incheon International, Gimpo International, and Jeju International are the largest airports in South Korea. To save money, buy your plane tickets at least 90 days in advance. Reserve lodging accommodations if necessary. If you don't live in Korea and plan on staying for more than one day, you should reserve accommodations before you leave for your trip. Take a look online for hotels in Seoul or near Everland and book your room. If you'd like to stay close to the park, the Ramada Gyeonggi-do Forest and Q hotels are within a mile from Everland. Purchase your tickets to Everland online. Visit https://www.everland.com/ to purchase your tickets for the days that you plan on visiting the park. A one-day ticket for an adult costs 54,000 won, or about, while a children's ticket costs 43,000 won, or about. The tickets include a full day of access to the rides at the amusement park and admission to the home art gallery. There are also two-day tickets available for 84,000 won, or about. Children must be 2-18 to receive the child discount. You can also purchase night tickets or tickets after 5:00 p.m. for 45,000 won or about for adults and 36,000 won or about for children. Purchase a queue pass with your tickets for an extra 3,000 won or about to skip the queues when you're at the park. Plan which rides and attractions you want to enjoy. There are 5 different zones in Everland that include European Adventure, Magic Land, American Adventure, Global Fair, and Zootopia. Each zone has its own unique attractions and events. If you are traveling with seniors or young children, Global Fair, Magic Land, and Zootopia have suitable rides and attractions. European and American Adventure have roller coasters like the T-Express and Gyro VR. Global Fair has retail shops that include brands like Etude House and Line Friends. These shops are great for adults and seniors. Magic Land has rides that are suitable for children. Zootopia has a variety of different zoo animals including pandas and giraffes. Look at the schedule to see which special events are happening. Visit https://www.everland.com/web/multi/english/everland/everland guide/schedule/show HTML to see a full schedule of events. Each zone will have special events depending on which day you go. There are often parades and festivals every day in each zone. The Global Fair has the Victorian Theatre, which hosts live performances. Plan on where to eat while at Everland. There are a variety of unique restaurants in each zone. If you want a large selection, Holland Village in the European Adventure Zone has 12 European-style restaurants. If you want Korean cuisine, you can visit Hangaram to get authentic Korean food. See an entire list of eateries at http:// www.everland.com/multilanguage/English/Everland Guide Map English PDF. You can also bring outside food into the park if you want to save money.